Hello everyone. The topic that we are going to see today is the differences between latches and flip-flops. Point number 1. A latch is a sequential circuit whose output changes whenever there is a change in the input. That is, the output follows the input whenever a change occurs in the input. It does not accommodate a clock signal. Instead, enable can be accommodated into the latch circuit. The flip-flops is a sequential circuit whose output changes whenever a clock signal is given. That is, the input is transferred to the output whenever the clock is on. Point number 2. The examples of latches are SR latch, JK latch, D latches. Examples of flip-flops: SR, JK flip-flops, D and T. Point number 3. Latch is a level sensitive device. That is, the output follows the input either during the on state or off state of the input. Also, this occurs only when the enable is high. Whereas in case of a flip-flop, it is a edge-triggered device. The changes in the output follows the input during the rising or falling edge of the clock. That is, during rising or falling edge of the clock, the input is transferred to the output. Point number 4. Power consumption and area occupied is less in case of latches because of absence of the clock circuitry. Whereas coming to the flip-flops, because of accommodation of clock circuitry, the power consumption and area occupied will be more. Point number 5. An enable signal can be included with a latch to make it work like a flip-flop. Enable signal is not used. Here we use a clock signal in a flip-flop circuit. Point number 6. A flip-flop without a clock is called a latch. What about a flip-flop? A latch with a clock is a flip-flop. Point number 7. The design of latches is simple as no clock circuitry is present, whereas the design of flip-flops is complex compared to latches. Point number 8. A latch is an asynchronous circuit. What is an asynchronous circuit? The asynchronous circuit accommodates feedback which are not governed by clock signals. As latch do not have a clock signal, it comes under asynchronous category. A flip-flop is a synchronous circuit where clock signals are used to govern feedback. Point number 9. Latches are faster because of absence of clock, therefore delay is also less, whereas flip-flops are slower and the delay is more. Point number 10. A latch cannot be used as a register as clock is absent, whereas flip-flops can be used as registers, which are temporary storage devices. Write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.